Okay, we've only had about 11, 12 minutes, so to produce a story in 11 or 12 minutes is something pretty special. You'll never be asked to do a story in 11 minutes. You'll always have about 40, which is why you've done a quarter, but you could easily add 3 other quarters to that, take up 40 minutes, and you'll come out with a story, hopefully, like this one. What we're going to do with this story is not just look at it for its effectiveness as a story. We're going to try and do something different as well. We're going to see if we can work out whether this story has used any of these techniques. Okay, have we got any of those skills in there? We've already got it in there because you've made his thoughts out loud. So he's spoken his thoughts out loud, yeah? That's the one. Stick it on there. What if they just added onto it? Sentence length goes into it as well. Okay. Alex? Why, John, why? Why, John, why? What does John do whenever he gets nervous? Or when he's ashamed? John stared at the floor. John stared at the floor. We've got 3 skills in there. It is only 4 paragraphs long, showing certain skills. Now, thank you very much, Katie. Have a seat. Applause, please, for this room.